Welcome back. I have another video for you. This is going to be a short video, just going to show you how to install Honeywell Home. This is a non-programmable thermostat. We'll be installing this on a 240 cadet wall heater. And here's our thermostat. And the best way to show you this is on the back. We have our L1, L2, and our load. If you haven't seen my 240 video on how to install this twin cadet, in that video I made a full diagram on how to install this type of non-programmable thermostat. And it's pretty much the same. Your L1 connects to the hot that's coming from your source. L2 connects to your unit. And for our load, we can call this T1, and then this will be our T2. And here's the image of the diagram that I was talking about. If you want, take a screenshot. And here's where I'll be installing our thermostat. If you watch my videos, you know that I always come in through my box from the top with the source, and from the bottom goes to our unit. Your package also comes with a little bit of hardware. I won't be using these wire nuts. Only the screws, because I prefer using wiggle nuts. So we're going to install this load wire, which is this one, to our unit. And also we'll be installing this one, which is our other load, to connect to our unit. And these two here, our L1, L2, will be connected to the source. So we have L1, L2 connected to our source. And also remember, this is a 240, so you need to put electrical tape on your white wire to indicate that that is not a neutral. Now we have our loads also connected to our unit. Remember, this is 240. And I'll show you the diagram one more time. I haven't removed the cover, but all you have to do is remove that Phillips screw. Once you remove your Phillips screw, you want to pull straight out because you don't want to bend any pins. See our pins? Don't bend them. And set your face to the side. Now let's just tuck all our wires in. And here's a tool that I usually use when doing this. What this does is a great tool to help push in stubborn wires that don't want to go in your box. If you look at the back of your faceplate, you will see a small switch. If you have your switch on the up position, that'll be Fahrenheit. If you want Celsius, you just push the switch down, and that'll be your choice. It all depends on what part of the world you're living in. Now install your faceplate. There's a little lip right there at the top. You want to connect that right there. Then push straight in. Tighten your Phillips screw. If your cadet wall heater has a thermostat, you want to put it on the highest setting. Now let's turn our power back on. And our display is on. So what we're seeing right now is the temperature in this room. At the bottom is our on and off button. This little image of a light bulb, that'll be our backlight. And to set your temperature, here's your up and down button. You can go through it slowly like this, or you can hold and it will scroll faster for you. Either way you want to do it. And once you have it set to 86, if that's the temperature that you want, you wait a few seconds. It will show you the temperature that the room is. Right now the room is at 70. This image here that you see is to indicate that your heater is on. But I do not want this room to be at 86 because that's ridiculous. We're going to keep it at 65. Then your unit in 5 seconds will shut off. room temperature drops under 65, then your thermostat will send a signal to turn on your unit to get it to your desired setting. Well, there you have it. That's the end of my video. I hope this video helped someone out there. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up and give me a hand with the YouTube algorithm so more people could find my video and the channel can grow. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. You have yourself a good one. Oh boy, there it goes. You know, I was looking for this, and the kids took my brush to clean out their trampoline. Let me take the rake back home. Yep. Look who's in the garden again. And there's the boyfriend. Mm-hmm. Okay, dog. Oh. Okay. Okay, so they're leaving. Okay, you scared them away. Look, he's gone. He's not eating our plants no more. So, someone is eating my wife's garden. Excuse me, sir. Can you stay out of our garden? Summer? Summer! Summer!